I'm in the Dowder Mountain Nature Park in Sloatsburg, New York. This is kind of adjacent to Harriman State Park, and I'm going to be doing a loop on some trails I've never been on before. So this should be fun. We'll see how it goes. Right from the start, it's been climb up, but not so hard. I'm looking down at the New York State Thruway, and if I pan to my right, that's the village of Sloatsburg. I left the county park. I'm now in Harriman, and I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to do a loop here or just an out and back at this point. Eventually I have to go back into the county park to complete the loop I had started this morning. Came upon an interesting sign. I'm back in the county park, and I don't know if these trails had names, but I'd come up on the Blue Trail, coming that way. And I'm going to take this orange blaze trail back to the car. I think it's about a mile back to the parking lot on Johnsontown Road. So I'm back where I started. A 5-mile hike. It was nice, relatively easy. Nice to be in spots I've never been before. I hope you enjoyed coming along, and if you did, give it a like and maybe follow. Till next time, see you later.